Review.
Let's practice indirect questions one more time. So I am a driver asking for directions, and you should help me, okay?
Okay.
Sylvia, can you tell me how far it is to the park, please?
It's not too far. You can go up 5 streets and turn left. Go straight for 2 streets. It's on your right.
Oh, good. Thank you, Sylvia. Linda, could you tell me where the beach is, please?
Sure. You are on the right street. You can go straight to the beach. You should park your car here and take the train. The traffic will be terrible.
Okay, that's good advice. Thank you. Alberto, would you tell me when the Colosseum opens for tourists?
I can do that. It opens at 9 a.m. You are going the wrong way. You should go on that street. It is 4 kilometers on the right.
Okay, great job, everyone. Let's try some exercises. So complete the sentences with enough. Here's an example. Tom wanted to go to the museum, but he didn't have enough time. So you complete the sentences with enough, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Alberto, I had a picnic in the park with 4 friends. It wasn't good. I didn't buy.
It was not good. I didn't buy enough food.
Okay. So it wasn't good. I didn't buy enough food. Good answer. Linda, I want to take a taxi to the stadium, Linda. The taxi driver asks, do you have...
Do you have enough money?
Okay. So the taxi driver asks, do you have enough money? Okay, let's see. Sylvia, it's your turn. Now, Sylvia, the bus wants to leave for the beach. It's almost full, the bus. So the manager asks the driver,
I think I know. He says, do you have enough passengers?
okay, good. So the manager asks the driver, do you have enough passengers? One more question. Alberto, I want to teach more English. So, Alberto, do we have enough to learn more English?
Do we have enough time to learn more English?
Okay, good. Do we have enough time to learn more English? All right, very good, everyone. Now, let's try another exercise. I know you love exercises, don't you, Linda?
Of course we do.
Okay, we can practice using indirect questions. Sylvia, you need to know where the train station is. Can you ask Linda?
Sure. Linda, can you tell me where the train station is, please?
Good. Now, Linda, you want to know how much a taxi is to 6th Avenue. Can you ask Alberto?
I can. Alberto, could you tell me how much it costs to 6th Avenue for a taxi?
Fine. Alberto, you want to know when the metro opens. Can you ask Sylvia?
Okay. Sylvia, would you tell me when the metro opens?
All right, good job. Now, let's try another exercise. Let's put too much, remember these, or too many, in front of the nouns in the following sentences. Okay, Sylvia, you can go first. My mother thinks there is traffic in this part of the city. We should find a different hotel.
My mother thinks there is too much traffic in this part of the city.
My mother thinks there is too much traffic in this part of the city. Good. Okay, Linda, your turn. Tom says there are passengers on that bus. What do you think, Linda?
Tom says there are too many passengers on that bus.
Yes, good.
I think passengers is a count noun, and so we must use too many.
Okay, yes, you're right. Tom says there are too many passengers on that bus. Good. Alberto, it's your turn. I think there are tourists in Rome. Maybe I should visit a smaller city.
I think there are too many tourists in Rome.
All right.
You can visit Naples.
Okay. I think there are too many tourists in Rome. Good. All right, good advice. Thank you, everyone. Now we have enough time to listen and write.
Listen and write.
Listen and write the sentences. Can you tell me how much a bus ticket is, please? Do we have enough time to walk to the gallery? Anne thinks it costs too much to take a taxi. There are too many people in the park. Would you tell me how many blocks it is to Dunlevy Street? The minibus had enough passengers to leave at 6 o'clock. There is too much pollution in this city. My eyes are red. There are too many customers here. Let's go to a different bank. Could you tell my sister when the bus will return? There aren't enough sidewalks in this city. Now check your work. Can you tell me how much a bus ticket is, please? Do we have enough time to walk to the gallery? Anne thinks it costs too much to take a taxi. There are too many people in the park. Would you tell me how many blocks it is to Dunlevy Street? The minibus had enough passengers to leave at 6 o'clock. There is too much pollution in this city. My eyes are red. There are too many customers here. Let's go to a different bank. Could you tell my sister when the bus will return? There aren't enough sidewalks in this city. Now read the following conversation, then answer the questions about it.
Read and answer.
Terry and Kelly are on the bus from New York. They are students from England. They're in New York for a few days. Wow, look at that building. It must be the Empire State Building. Do you think we have enough money to visit it tomorrow? Oh, I don't know. We have enough money. You can never have too much money in New York. How many floors are there? There are 104 floors. That is too many floors to walk. We will take the elevator. Of course. Where is Central Park? Let me look at the travel guide. It's straight ahead, about 15 blocks. Lincoln Center is near Central Park. The Museum of Natural History is near Central Park. Does the bus stop there? I will ask the driver. Could you tell me where the bus stops, please? It stops every 3 blocks. The next stop is on 4th and 48th Street. Thank you. Yes, Kelly, it should stop near Central Park. Do you think we will have enough time to visit the park tomorrow? We have to be at the theater at 6 o'clock. We will see. There are too many places to visit. I want to see the Metropolitan Museum of Art. They have wonderful Egyptian artifacts. We will have enough time to visit that museum. Can you tell me when we are going to the baseball game? You promised. We will go on Friday. The stadium is in the Bronx. We should have enough money to take a taxi. I am